Ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups aren't just random spasms, they're an ancient evolutionary glitch that dates back hundreds of millions of years. Scientists believe hiccups originated in our fish ancestors as a way to protect their gills from water intake. Here's the proof. Tadpoles still hiccup today when they're transitioning from gills to lungs. That annoying hiccup sound? It's your body recreating the same reflex that once helped aquatic creatures survive. Even more bizarre, the same nerves that trigger hiccups in humans control gill movement in fish. So every time you hiccup, you're experiencing a biological relic from when your ancestors swam in prehistoric seas. Want to know what other weird reflexes we've inherited from evolution? Hit follow for more mind-blowing facts.